Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to open the console in CS2. So if you want to open the console right here, I'll show you guys exactly how to do it in this video today. It's really simple, so let's hop right into it. So first things first, you want to click on escape, and then this will show up right here. You want to go over to settings menu. Now once you open the settings menu, it's going to bring you to this page here. And from here, you're going to want to go ahead and find game out of these options right here. So new, video, audio, game, you want to go to game. Now once you're on game, head over to game, which is the first option out of these 8 options right here. And once you're on here, there's going to be an option for enable developer console. Once you find this, you're going to want to make sure that you toggle it to yes. And once you do that, you can actually go ahead and open it. Now, if you don't know which button it is to open it, if you head over to keyboard/mouse and scroll down to, scroll all the way down to toggle console, which is in UI keys, then as you can see, it's this apostrophe thing, which is in the top left of your keyboard usually. If you don't have that, then you can actually change it to whatever you want by clicking on it and then clicking the key that you want to change it to. Once you do that, you can go ahead and go back to the game, and if you click the key, then it will open your console. So that is how you open the console in CS2. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them, and I'll see you guys next time.